So I'm on a theme of self-care right now. A lot of people think of self-care like going to an acupuncturist or going to get a massage or maybe getting your nails done, but self-care can mean anything for you. It's all about taking care of yourself, being mindfully doing things that help your life. So that could mean, and that means something for everybody that's different for everyone. So I was talking to some of my patients, asking them what are some of their self-care things aside from acupuncture. It can mean having a cup of coffee in the morning and having it outside on your deck or outside watching the sunrise. So besides acupuncture, what are some of the things that you do for yourself?
Oh, meditation.
Meditation.
Loving it.
Awesome.
I do tarot.
Tarot cards?
Yeah.
Awesome. That's super important. I think people think of self-care where you have to come in and spend money on yourself, but it's just as simple as making a cup of tea and just, being still with yourself, right? I think even for me, like having little ones, just taking a shower is like a luxury. So, and you know how that is.
Yes, I do. I remember.
Taking a walk. It could mean putting on a face mask before bed. Some of the self-care things that are, it could also mean just waking up the same day and taking a shower. As a mom, sometimes taking a shower, that is such a luxury type of thing. Something that people don't realize with this medicine is that a lot of times they're like, well, I just feel better, and they forget. I'm often forgotten, like, oh, well, I've been going to acupuncture for a few weeks, and, I just feel great, and they just think they're getting better by themselves, which is great, but then they realize, oh, I've been doing acupuncture. That's what the change has been. If you can give somebody a tip for your own for a self-care thing that you think others would enjoy, what would be your recommendation?
I'm being in the moment with the people you're with.
Being in the moment,
Being
definitely.
in the moment, disconnect from electronics, and I'm a big techie girl.
Yeah.
Disconnect from electronics, be in the moment.
As an acupuncturist, obviously acupuncture is something that you can do to help yourself, but there's only so much that I can do as an acupuncturist within the room or as a medical Qigong person. There's only so much that I can do for you. I'm all about taking accountability for yourself. What are some of the things that you do for your own self-care?
I've been going for massages.
Oh, good. Awesome.
La Vida.
Okay,
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
Good. That's great.
Yeah, I like it there. And I've been going like once a month.
Okay.
Like for an hour.
Good for you.
Trying the different things.
Okay. Nice.
Essential oils.
And that's helping, right? That makes you give you more
It
energy,
does.
and replenishing your cup is just super important, so that you're a better mom, you're a better boss, you're a better leader, you're a better friend, right? Because I think self-care is the new healthcare. I like to give homeworks with my patients because you can do so much more. You can enhance your treatments by doing that home healthcare system. And it's all about just being in tune with your body. When you have the tools, when you start to know yourself, when you start to listen to yourself, you'll be able to take care of you. Within Chinese medicine, I always talk about the 5 elements and how it regulates your systems and organizations. It organizes you. So it's all about being in tune to whatever your body needs. So right now we are in the summer season, and it's a great time to be active and lively. It's the fire aspect. When you think about the sun, it's the most yang time of year. It's a great time to express your heart with following your dreams and following your passions, connecting with your loved ones and your family members and friends. That is part of your self-care. Make sure you're in the mindset of taking care of yourself, because self-care is a huge aspect to healing. If you're not mindfully living your life, if you're not in tune with yourself, you're not able to really find a balance. So just make sure that you at least have 5 minutes a day where you're spending it by yourself, not having any electronics on, not having any distractions. Even if it's 5 minutes before bed, you really need to kind of internally see and feel what's going on, because everyone has the answer within yourself. Make sure you're taking care of you. Remember, self-care is the new healthcare. So have a good day, guys. Peace.